Hello folks, this is David at Grow and Eat This. We had 5 or 6 days where the lows were in the low 20s. Then it got hot for a couple of days. Then went back down into the low 20s for 5 or 6 days. And today, right now, believe it or not, I got a t-shirt on. It's 71 degrees. Well, this used to be sweet potatoes. And with all those temperatures, they obviously gave up the ghost. So we're going to pull the soaker hose out. Get these things dug up before the critters get them. Another one. Another sweet potato. I don't know what that is. Ooh, this feels like a really nice spot here. See if I can get out of my own way here. There's a nice sweet potato. There's another beauty. Not bad. Another nice one. And another. A nice one. This has year in, year out been a really good spot for sweet potatoes. And it looks like it's holding through again today. Oh, my aching back. Wow, look at that one. Check that out. Couple of small ones. Those are good for next year, starting plants. Not the greatest harvest out of a 4-foot bed, but those are the Japanese purple whites, and these are white whites. So these are going to be just incredible, outstanding sweet potatoes. I still got a lot more sweet potatoes to dig. My back's killing me, so we're going to stop right here. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.